Hello everybody, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge. We have a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, granite crystal metallic in color. It's got an SRT sport hood. It's got some red trim around it with the SRT on the bottom here. You have front sensors, rear sensors. A lot of people don't know this, but in these models you have like windshield washers that will come out and wash off your headlights as well too. Looks like the previous customer put a little bit of tint on the headlights just to dark it out a bit. Nice black wheels on it, 20-inch wheels. Turn signal indicators, remote keyless entry, proximity key, gas tank, that locks. And if you come around to the back, power tailgate, you have dual exhaust. These things sound amazing. And you have lots of room in the back with the privacy curtain. You also have a spare tire and jack and everything as well too. So coming to the interior, I'll show you guys some more. Take 49. Okay. Welcome back to the interior of this Grand Cherokee SRT. These things are very beautiful inside. You have Alcantara seats, so you got leather, and then you have like a nice suede insert so it doesn't get all sticky in the summer. So you got heated seats and cooled seats as well too. Nice when you have a black interior. You have red seat belts, which is very rare. A lot of people like that. And then you have a nice full panoramic sunroof as well too. So get lots of vitamin D, and it's awesome. So you have adaptive cruise control, you have lane departure warning, and then you also have parallel park assist. There's a launch function to launch off the line. It's actually really cool if you get into that. You have power windows, power locks, power doors, like most things do nowadays. 8.4-inch screen. It also has a Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds really crisp and nice in it. Just the fit and finish of this vehicle is super nice. Like you have like velvet touch roof and stuff like that. So lots of power in these things. They're awesome. If you guys want to know anything else about this, give me a call at 780-278-2423, and I'd love to go through the vehicle with you. Have a nice day.